Hello there, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something a little bit different. Today we are going on Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where we can find video editors and we can hire them to make a video for us. So I spent all my monthly earnings on 5 different video editors to edit the same clips and see what they could come up with. I requested for each highlight was to be compressed to 45 to 60 seconds memes must be, and the song that they used to be royalty free. Besides that, I'll let them know I really just wanted them to edit in their own style and use their own creativity to create a highlight that they liked. In the background here I have the clips that I submitted for them to use however they wanted. It's just a bunch of random kills and other gamma play moments. Wonder how 5 different editors will edit the same clips. This is going to be very interesting.
But before that, the sponsored message. This video is brought to you by Raid Shadow Legends. Raid has all the features you would expect from a brand new RPG title, like an amazing storyline, awesome third graphics, giant boss fights, PvP battles, and hundreds of champions to collect and customize. And the best part? It's totally free. And you will get it on your smartphone. Check out the amazing graphics and details on those champions, and in Raid you have the ability to personally customize and choose the artifacts, and design a unique mastery build for each one of them. What I love about this game is that everyone can find something for himself. Some love collecting characters, some are all about the deep storyline and graphics. Almost 10 million players worldwide have already downloaded the game in just 6 months. Personally, I think the game is amazing, but you don't just have to take my word for it. With more than 300,000 reviews, Raid has almost a perfect score on the Play Store. The game is growing super fast and the highly anticipated new Faction Wars feature is now live. And there is a new awesome rewards program for new players. Get a new daily login reward for the first 90 days in the game. So, what are you waiting for? Go to the video description, click on the special links, and you will get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion as part of the new player program to start your journey. And remember, it's totally free. Huge thanks to Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this video.
Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe, and I get more ass than a toilet seat.
Squad member down.
Huh?
Easy, I'll help you.
Why you bullying me?
Awesome.
Amazing.
Simple and funny. Jojo memes included. He made me a discount because I was his first customer, and for just $6 did a pretty good job. Next.
Oh, baby, it's triple! Oh, yeah! Let's go!
Don't fret, boyo. I'll be gentle and blew it! Kaboom! I'm a dominated Beetletoad! I'm gay.
This could good.
MLG is back, comrades. I think first editor did better job and delivered faster, but I love those transitions. Just look at them. Next.
Open up!
Stop right there, calm down.
Yeah, boy.
Stupid. Huh?
My name's Jeff.
Wait a minute.
Easy, I'll help you.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck?
He made a 2 minutes clip for me and used almost every footage I gave to him. Really enjoyed this montage. Next. Devil Math.
Oh my god! I wasn't ready for that! Yeah. I take the higher. Yeah. To the next move. I take the higher.
I know you are thinking, he is so good on editing, and you are goddamn right. So he was the best one. Excellent memes, sound effects and music sync with gamma play. He said this is his first meme edit, and he killing it. Okay, let's see how our last and most expensive participant will do.
Let's do this.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Thank you.
He delivered the order most quickly of all, but I'm thinking the quality could have been better than that price. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Let me know which clip you like the most in the right top corner of the video right now.
Check this out.
And feel free to comment what certain things you liked about the clips and whatnot. It would be interesting to see your opinions.
He tried it.
Damn! That's
Thanks for watching, and feel free to check my channel and smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss new videos from me. Stay awesome.